exit the world of puppets and go to the Jim Henson collection. Pretty much the reason we're here. There's Jim right there with some very recognizable friends. Of course, some of this is going to be a repeat of what we saw at the Imagination Unlimited, but never hurts to reinforce what we've already learned. Of course, Wilkins and Watkins. Sam and Friends. I love this period display. Very mod wallpaper and old school TV. Of course, there's Jane, Jim's wife, and Jim himself. Of course, some of the famous performers. There's Rolf, Jerry Hole, of course Frank Oz, still at it, you know, doing Yoda in most recent Star Wars movies. Here's a reproduction of Jim's office. The family photos. Current lamp is very cool. Some Muppet related stuff. Various books. A couple of Emmy Awards. Some certified albums. Gold record there for Sesame Street, and is that silver? I guess, or the Muppet movie soundtrack. And then that's very cool too. That's not stained glass, that's paper. Jim liked experimenting with all sorts of things, not just Muppets, but art and...
Well, I've been into filmmaking for a while, and some of the last pieces there used kinds of... I have a short film that I made about 5 years ago called Timepiece, and we brought a little segment of that if you'd like to see that. Great. I think I can watch that Timepiece. I think I have it played in New York here for about a year.
A letter from
yeah, that's what I saw. It's a film that's made of
Rosalind Carter, assuming First Lady, to Jimmy Carter.
It's sort of like a kind of training thought editing. But it's just a study of contemporary man sort of thing. You know, kind of a fun look at it. If you'd like
Sweetums with Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and then Princess Diana with Pluto. Storage there, green felt, probably for Kermit. Count. Waldorf crossed out Statler, put his name, and then Statler did the same. That's hilarious. A couple of curmudgeons. Bertha. Brad. Is he related to Bert? Sherlock Hemlock. That looks like my sewing stuff. Everything's just shoved into boxes. Like, I'll find what I need eventually. Anything Muppets. Dozers. Velcro, always important to have. King Gosh Posh. Hey Cinderella. Huh. Never heard of it. Go on YouTube and look it up.
Feel silly having to stand in front of people.
That's usually doesn't happen. There.
You have no hair yet.
There we go. That's right. Already I'm young. See, I could be a rock and roll singer being young like this. Heard the Beatles' latest record?
It's a Ghost of Christmas Past. Probably of the three spirits in the Christmas Carol that all my friends always tell me is probably the creepiest. Should be a very familiar face. If you ever watched The Storyteller, which is a shame that show didn't last longer. So it was a really cool idea. This is why crafters and other people like me don't ever throw anything away. Because you just never know what you might need. More. Once again, you never know what you might need. Now we're gonna head to Sesame Street. Bert and Ernie. The bottle cap collection. Of course, two very familiar faces. Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch. Both performed by Carol Spinney for quite a long time. Of course, Carol passed away a couple of years ago. Thankfully, I got to meet him. He was at Gen Con. Ooh, like a year or so before he passed. So he'd been in ill health for a while. But yeah, he was at Gen Con the same year Steve Whitmire was. So I got to meet Carol, get his autograph, get a photo with him. Got to talk to his wife for a few moments. So it was very nice because, yeah, of course, I, like a lot of kids, grew up on the street with characters like Big Bird and Oscar and Bert and Ernie. So to be able to meet him was a very cool experience. I'm glad I got to do it. Quite the motley crew lineup here. Roosevelt Franklin, Grover, of course Elmo, and Cookie Monster, who would have been very happy sharing my ice cream yesterday, which had lots of chocolate chip cookies. I got a set up here, or if I wasn't by myself, we could do some Muppet type stuff, but I'm by myself, so it'd be kind of hard to do. I would just prop my phone up somewhere, but you probably wouldn't appreciate that. Sure, you're not supposed to be climbing or touching certain things. Although, try something, maybe, here, just a second. Nope, not working. At least I tried. We can still go behind here, though. Show you what it's like. Just want to be able to see what the camera is seeing. There's my hat. Some puppets here. You can even, oh, I got a monitor there. We can even do like a little skit here, like, honey, I'm home. Honey? Not here. Well, I guess I'll just stretch out, take a nap on the couch. Which is pretty much what I do on a daily basis. Splurge. Apparently is also from Hey Cinderella. Really need to look that up. And then of course, the Muppet Show. With everyone's favorite amphibian, Kermit the Frog. Hi-ho! How's it hanging, huh, Kermit? Long time no see. What's it been? Like 6 weeks? Something like that? There's Scooter. Mana. Do 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 do. Mana. This is Miss Kitty. Seven deadly sins. This is apparently lust. On the Muppet Show episode Sex and Violence. This is avarice. Equivalent of greed, I guess. Vanity. Very literal. Some sloth. And then pigs in space with Dr. Julius Strangepork and Captain Link Hogthrob. We got some artifacts from the Muppet Treasure Island. Of course, we've covered on 5-inch Fangirls. We've got the model of the Hispaniola and one of the Tiki statues. And of course, movie poster for the Muppet Christmas Carol. Absolute favorite. Of course, the Muppet movie Muppets Take Manhattan. And the Muppet Treasure Island. With a couple of more recognizable faces. Mad Monty. And of course, it's moi, Miss Piggy. Looking as devastatingly beautiful as possible. And another familiar pooch for the Fraggle Rock fans. It's Sprocket. Hi, buddy. Hi, Sprocket. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You are. Yes, you are. So there's some doozers. Fraggle Rock. Doozer vehicle. Some worms. Mavis the Mirror. Then Red. Wembley with his Hawaiian shirts. And Uncle Traveling Matt. Once again, one of the weirdest movies I've ever seen in my life, The Dark Crystal. So weird. Somebody explain it to me. It looks really cool. It's really impressive. I'm still not entirely sure what was going on.
His concepts visually,
Oh, bro.
we could translate them through the
Explain your movie to me, please. Kira's costume. Because apparently if it wasn't for Dark Crystal, we would not have Yoda. So, gotta give it that, I guess. And we got some crystal bats, some trolls, the Sexus. This is a Sketchod. We got this Gartham, big ugly son of a gun. And then of course my favorite, Labyrinth, what did I just saw last week again. My favorites. Magic dance, baby, spell on me. Jump, jump, magic jump, jump, magic jump, baby, spell on me. Oh, there's one of the guards. The talking door knockers. No good talking. Can't hear ya. There's a head cast for Hoggle. And there's one of the cannonballs. Couple of toys from Sarah's bedroom. We got Ludo, a Fiery, then a maquette for the worm. Hello. Did you just say hello? No, I said hello. Look, close enough. Of course, since this is the Center for Puppetry Arts, the focus is on the puppets, which is why things like Sarah and Jairus party outfits can go with the Imagination Unlimited exhibit, because they don't have anything to do with puppets. Dog City, which I've never seen. I need to look it up, find clips or something on YouTube, I'm sure. A big group of kids on a field trip came by a little bit ago, and one of them was like, "Excuse me," and I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "What's that?" I'm like, "That is a creature from a movie called The Dark Crystal, which you are way too young for." That was funny though. Some puppets for Crystal fast food. I think Crystal is similar to White Castle, I think. They seem similar. The square, like slider size sandwiches with the square hamburger patty. Of course, now everybody's waiting for Muppet version of Knives Out. Or Muppet version of A Princess Bride. Like, I bet those are the only reason. I think Muppet version is the only reason people would justify remaking The Princess Bride. So. Beautiful Kermit stained glass.
Steve's team has 1 point.
1 point per time.
Sorry?
1 point per win.
You can get as many points as you have balls next to the hand. But here's an example.
There you go. Throw the white ball, get close to the white ball.
Alright, so let's say that this is all in play, right? This is all in play. Right now, black.
Black is what?
Is that green or black?
I don't know. I can't see it.
Black has 1 point because red cancels out the other ball. Does that make sense? Yeah.
Wow. It's like red roll.
Red round.
Nice. Red roll.
So they wrote because they're closer. Further.
Red roll.
We're surrounding the ball. It's called the point maneuver. Throws an arrow.
Don't play skee ball and drink, kids. And the winning team, we seek that budget book tournaments. Team, what number were you guys? 2?
1, 2, 3, go. Awesome.
Say woo, team! Back to the mall. And Chauncey's gonna go with some of his coworkers for sushi, which, oh, no thank you. So, I will find my own dinner, thank you. Once an elevator shows up. We got to wander the mall a little bit, but it's so big. There's a lot of stores that some of it were heard of, so that, and it's good to get, you know, legs going, even if I don't buy anything. Guess I want to go sit on an airplane while I was on it. So, but it's been fun. I haven't done as much as I would like, but we were on a schedule, unfortunately. So, but we'll definitely be back because the home office is here, so John's just gonna have to come back. You know, probably at least once a year, if not more than that. So if I can, I definitely will come with him so I can cover more ground. My feet are tired. Of course, I was dressed for the occasion today, knowing that there might be Labyrinth stuff. So of course I had to wear my David Bowie shirt. Dinner. And boba.